Hey guys, welcome to this week's My Hair is Probably Dirty. I actually want to give you a very easy out to not washing your hair. You're welcome. And it's baby powder. You're welcome. Any baby powder will do, I think. I haven't used all the baby powders. This one is Soothing Aloe and Vitamin E. Johnson's. People are saying that their hair is too dark, their hair is going to look gray, their hair is going to look white, it clumps. And I want to show you how to do it. You're welcome. I purposely didn't put too many highlights in my hair. Made sure to leave it a little darker. You're welcome. I do so much for you. Even when I had black lowlights in my hair, I was still using baby powder as a means of dry shampoo, and it didn't show up. You're welcome. Hopefully you can see. Step number 1, twist open the cap. Take a little, rub it on your hands so that your hands are barely coated with the baby powder, because the key is a little bit at a time until there's no longer that oily look in your hair. Now you're going to take it right at your scalp, run your hands through, and pat. Run your hands through, pat. It's not use a ton of that. If you just have a tiny bit of baby powder on your hands, your hair is not going to look gray. If you have too much on your hands, yeah, you're going to see it. Look like you got silver highlights. If you have silver hair, you can go 2 weeks without washing your hair. Maybe not 2 weeks. Make sure your fingers are actually reaching your scalp. Go ahead and reach your scalp and pat. Now if you have stuff right in the back, still just a little bit on the hand. Wipe it together. Get your hands right at the roots. Shake it back there. If your hands are on the top of your hair and you're patting, you're gonna have fingerprints on your hair. None of this. Go in there and pat. But also, if you're really sweaty, let your scalp cool down before doing this. You just got through a run. Don't just slap this right in. That's when you're getting a little bit more of a product. Use your blow dryer on the cool setting. Usually it's by the top of the nozzle of your blow dryer. Usually looks like a snowflake. It says cool, or it has a little blue dot on it. Or just switch around your blow dryer until you feel cool air. Cool down your scalp. Sit down for a moment. Do something else. This on a very sweaty, hot scalp is not great. Now, some people are concerned with the baby powder scent, but if you're just using those tiny bits all over, you shouldn't have to worry about it. Those are triggers to know you're using too much or you're just using it in the wrong spots. Is if your hair is gray and you really smell like baby powder, you might want to dial it back a bit. Wash your hands too after. And if you get it on your clothes, it's just like deodorant. Rub your clothes together on each other like that. You'll be fine. Granted, I just put more on there with my fingers. Wash your hands first. I don't have a sink here. There are great dry shampoos, so I'm not saying that those aren't great. Those have great scent. I actually have a list of product that I'm excited to give you guys. Just send me an email that says I'm in for the product list at heyphotographeramy@gmail.com. When that product list is ready, you'll be the first to have it. Thanks for watching. My hair is probably dirty. I hope I got you to 1 extra day without shampooing. I'll see you guys next week. Actually, I could use some of it on I'm a little shiny. Find out all about. I don't think I can wink. Anyways.